So a lot has been going on between myself and my relationship with God. If you've been following me for long on this platform, you know that yes, after my divorce, my relationship with God has not been the same. I will not blame God for what happened to me. I always say that I want to move on, I want to move on, I want to move on. Sincerely, I have moved on about 90%. There's a little bit of sadness, a little bit of anger, a little bit of resentment still in me, but it has affected my relationship with God, as you already know. So for more than 2 years, I think this is the first morning that I have intentionally did what you just saw. And I know it's not the best for me, because as a Christian, I cannot take out prayer from my life. Whatever happened to me, there's a saying that what does not kill you makes you stronger. So I cannot continue like this. I cannot be a prisoner in my own world. I cannot imprison myself and fight God. For what? It doesn't make sense. It's not necessary. It is not of any importance. It will not benefit me. I'll be losing the more. I'll be losing the more. So I better put myself together and then run back to the Lord for salvation. So I pray that what you just saw will continue. I can pray, I can do it every moment of my life. So I want to go back to it, incorporate that into my life. Beloved, I am not a tongue speaking Christian. Yeah, I'm not a tongue speaking Christian, but I'm a Bible believing Christian who believes in prayer. That is why my prayer life is of importance to me. For church, I go once in a while, but I know that when I build a personal relationship with God through prayers, everything will fall in place. A co-tenant of mine is getting married to my schoolmate today. The lady was a year behind me at the university. Okay, so they invited me to their marriage, but another tenant, the children I cleaned with, their father told me that they have an appointment in Accra, so they will be bringing 2 out of the 3 to me. So apparently I planned not to attend the marriage. Sincerely, I have not been tilting. For me, marriage is something that I don't enjoy attending after what happened to me. Since I got divorced, since I got married, the only marriage ceremony I have attended is that of Lanecha. So you can just imagine. So me taking care of those children was a bit of a relief to me. But now that he says he will no longer bring them here, I have no other excuse than to attend. And I don't want to be in a red cap, because even if I want to be in a red cap, how do I pack my hair? I really want to wash and then trace it out, because the strike is over. Yeah, the 11 years strike is over. So I will be going to work, God willing, on Monday. I've applied a generous amount of this shea butter cream from Tips with Nikki's Natural. Yeah, so my hair is very soft and sleek, and I'm going to top it up with the leave-in conditioner. Then I'll begin braiding. Wait, where am I going? Meba. Okay, so one down, about 99 to go. Yes. So guys, I am done. This is the hair. I am so proud of my achievement. Mama, be sure, Barbara. Also shape. I am so proud of myself. Yeah, just look at how beautiful it is. Right now I've decided that when I take something from point A, I'll put it back there. Okay, so guys, I am all ready. I am set. I am ready to go. So out of the 5 of us, one is getting married. This group, they've gone to Accra. Grandma too is bereaved. She's mourning her husband. Not until he is buried she cannot officially step out on any official assignment. Okay, so it's just the 2 of us that needs to rep. We couldn't go in the morning, so afternoon day, at least we have to go and greet and showcase ourselves more. So this is my outfit of the day. Yeah. My mom bought it for me. Yeah, as for my mother, she buys everything for me. So that's it. And then I am doing a mokwa with Nature's bag. Before wedding, we were so late, so by the time we got there, now everything was over. See, we are making our dinner. Banku and tomatoes in you. Nanu's Nation's younger brother. He is an importer. Right now after school, the team, the slogan is DM for prizes after school. So he wants to do the 2. So anything that he wants, he imports from China. Yeah, don't tell me you don't want China, Everything is produced in China. Yes, the world revolves around China now. Everything that you are using, because of cheap labor, it is done in China. It's a YouTube, please. It's not from me. That sound, don't strike me. It's not from me. I'm also there. Next time you blend it. Mokono. I'm sure next time you blend it. And then I say, go come up with your mom too. I'm going to blend it. Then the end try not so many tastes fine. Guys, my man is so blended and yet it's our option and it's time. What did they have from? Now they are blended from. Guys, it was terrible. Guys, do you remember last year when I attended one naming ceremony? There was a fire education in the church. The bulb it's not working. It went dead, so I switched it on and forgot to switch it back off. Nature was here frying. She was frying some egg. Then we heard pa. All we could see was a soldier. But because I had been given that education, quickly switch off the cylinder and then we switch off the main switch.
Intina onya ahoden fa nko. You see, this was what they did. It was here. So when you switch the lights on now Emma will feel it dizzy. I hope you get what I mean. When you switch the fan off together with the bulb here, you see that, so you'll be feeling dizzy. That's why we extended this here. And guys, we are happy we were all home. So my neighbor had a fire extinguisher. We went for it and quickly we could put the fire off. I am glad. Look, and the melting. So if we had not been home, it would have been a different story altogether. No, si jaja. My friend electrician. Guys, I'm still not back home. This is not me talking, but I have to eat because I've not eaten since morning. I'm still shaking. But I am happy then. I will eat. Still also you. Rubber. So one kebetum. You don't know so one kebetum. The boy and his name. The boy and his name. Fire extinguisher. How about this small one? I want to missing. I don't know. Education on the mind, the boy. I'll call one of my call. I'm saying, I don't know my channel. I don't know if you know the any years. I'm going to say, I know you. Well, when the when I'm saying I know, my brother fire, I mentioned, I know I'm going to no. Maybe I don't. This is so doom now. Electricity work at 10 o'clock. It means and what do selling that answer? They don't so or don't buy a continue. It was matter to guys. Now vlog my thing. Come here, guys. December, Quebec is saying. Quebec is saying, help me thank God in the comment section. I don't know. I mean, we need to be and then God, you are grateful.